gap is 15 seconds, and you're going to do 10, 6, or 4 on the line.
Kopecky got to win it to take the race overall, so she needs to take those 10 seconds. DSM Firmenich have to keep Franzi Koch up there as well in terms of she's got to latch herself onto the wheel of Lotte Kopecky and just try and follow her all the way in to see Eleanor Backstedt on the back of the bunch. Laura Gillespie moving up as well for the team of UAE ADQ. 16 seconds. SD Works really having to work in this. We'll see what sort of dent as well it's taken out of the riders in terms of the lead out. But those the riders that do manage the breakaway generally, Femke Marcus, Christine Majerus, and Lonica Femke Hunter as well. They do the long range move here, but you can see the bunch just spanning across the road. 15 seconds from Silke Schmolders with 6.7 kilometers to go. However this finishes, this